So how to find the right business opportunities? I think there are two ways to go about it. Don't go for multiple businesses. Don't even think about it. You have to know that you are one person and you can never be at multiple places at one time. So the biggest challenge I faced as an entrepreneur, जब business successful नहीं होता है ना, वो loss की feeling same ही होती है जो आपको अपने offspring के साथ भी आती है. I run multiple businesses. I've made millions out of it. I've lost millions as well. Today I'm going to tell you how it actually works. Hi, this is Akash and let's get into it. 3 traits you need in order to become a successful entrepreneur. In any business, starting from conceptualization to execution to redeeming, if you want to be successful, these are the 3 traits any entrepreneur should possess. 1. Originality. एनी आइडिया जब तक आपके हार्ट से नहीं निकल के आता है, जब तक आपको पता नहीं है कि आप उसमें 100% बिलीव करते हो, देयर इज़ अ हाई चांस कि ऑलरेडी कोई और वो कर रहा है एंड माइट बी डूइंग इट बेटर देन यू बिकॉज इट कम्स फ्रॉम देयर हार्ट. सो इट नीड्स टू बी समथिंग दैट यू रियली बिलीव इन. सेकेंड, परसिवरेंस. एवरी डे यू गॉट टू गेट अप, वर्क फॉर इट. इवन इफ यू नो द बेस्ट, आपको फिर भी जितना आप उसके पीछे भागोगे, सक्सेस का रिजल्ट के लिए पीछे मत भागो, सिर्फ अपनी परसिवरेंस उसके लिए काम करते रहो, सक्सेस आपके पीछे भागेगी. एंड थर्ड, एम्पैथी. नेवर थिंक दैट यू मेड द बिजनेस और यू मेक द पीपल हु वर्क फॉर यू. पीपल हु वर्क फॉर यू मेक योर बिजनेस. सो अनलेस एंड अनटिल आपके पास एम्पैथी नहीं है, आप सोच नहीं सकते कि आपकी टीम को क्या चाहिए, आपको कैसे करना है, उनको खुश कैसे रखना है, आप कभी भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकते. So the biggest challenge I faced as an entrepreneur is over trusting, whether it's your team, whether it's your business partners, whether it's the idea as well. It's very easy for any entrepreneur to really believe in their idea and not to the whole market analysis, don't think of risk mitigation, don't think really of the practical application of that business because we really believe in our idea. So it's good to believe in the idea, but you should always do your analysis to make sure that you are backing up with your data. There's no term as such failure that we should perceive as an entrepreneur in business. It's always a learning. आप evolve होते हो अपने business में, so जब setback लगता है, whether it's monetary, whether it's transactional or even if it's non-transactional, qualitative, उस चीज़ को हमेशा जो मैंने handle किया है is always as a learning and to see how to make it better in the next one. If you always keep thinking about कि आपने अभी क्या किया था और ये क्यों हो गया, that's only gonna keep you there. So you better learn from it. It's important to fail. You learn from it and only then you can jump higher next time. So technically my first ever business was when I was back in college. मैंने एक course सीखा था as a summer course. It was MATLAB. It was for image processing in robotics or something which was related to my field in engineering. एंड मैंने जब वो करा, मुझे लगा यार मेरी क्लास में, मेरे कॉलेज में बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जिनको भी उससे फ़ायदा होगा, जिनको वो करना है, बट दे प्रॉब्ली कैन नॉट एक्सेस द प्लेस, दे कैन नॉट प्रॉब्ली पे दैट एज मच, और उनको वो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस आउट होगी. सो आई थॉट अगर मैं उनको कम कोर्स में अच्छे से वो चीज़ सिखा सकता हूँ और उससे मुझे भी मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट होता है, so why not? So it's more like a knowledge sharing kind of a business that I started for a very short time with a group of friends. हमने एक छोटी सी कंपनी खोली थी और उसमें हमने ये कोर्सेज ऑफ़र किए थे और उसकी सर्टिफिकेशंस ऑफ़र की थी जो कि एक्चुअली यूजुअली कंपनीज को चाहिए होता है. तो हमने वो बस स्टार्ट किया, उनको सिखाया. हमने आफ्टर कॉलेज आवर्स क्लासेस स्टार्ट करी एंड वी चार्ज देम अ मिनिमल अमाउंट. And that's how I ran it very successfully because I had around 100 enrollments from my own college, and it was a huge turnout and everybody wanted to learn. So if I wanted to start today something that I wanted to do as a business, it's important to do what you love doing. But what I would do in order to be successful in that, to make sure I'm successful, is that I'll remove my dependencies, whether it's family, whether it's location, whether it's money. So mostly it's always financial dependencies that we have, that job ही करनी है, 9 to 5, इससे पैसे आते हैं सब. तो सबसे पहली चीज़ है कि हमेशा जो पैसा है उसकी डिपेंडेंसी हटाने के लिए you have to make sure it's coming from your passive income that you need for your lifestyle, for your expenditures. As long as वो passive income बनती है, you can actively spend your time in order to do like whatever you like doing, and तभी वो 100% आपका heart उसमें जाएगा and आपका 500% time और effort उसके अंदर जाएगा, and that's how you'll make it successful जब आप अपनी dependencies हटा दोगे. Alright, how to manage multiple businesses and scale them? It depends where you're starting at. If I say if you are starting a business today, don't go for multiple businesses, don't even think about it. My tip would be to start with one business, make it profitable, put 500% into it, and once it is profitable, use the profit proceedings from that in order to start the other business. Why I say so is that when you are using profit into spending into something else or into investing into something else, it automatically gives you a little relief that you are not using up your own money. You feel like अभी यहाँ से आया था, कोई बात नहीं, लग गया अभी तो कुछ नहीं होता. जब वो टेंशन हटती है ना दिमाग से कि यार वहीं से आया था, यहाँ निकल गया, तो अब आप उसके अंदर बहुत पॉजिटिवली जाते हो और उसको आप बेसिकली बिल्डअप कर पाते हो. अगर आप अपने पैसे लगा के हो तो आधा टाइम तो आप यही सोचते रहोगे कि यार मैंने इसमें लगाया है, मुझे मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या होगा, 6 महीने में आएगा या 2 साल में आएगा. सो दैट वरी इज टेकन आउट once you actually start using profit proceedings towards the other. So do go in fully heartedly for one business, and once you have made enough profit, start using into other businesses. If you're already at that stage where you have already made a successful business and you're trying to scale and go into multiple others, you already know the skill how to run a business. So I don't need to teach you about what to do in order to make a business successful technically. I think my only tip over there is you are one person who cannot be at these multiple places at the same time. So you need to start trusting people, need to find people who are skilled enough, more than skilled enough, they have enough zeal and perseverance to actually run it, and you partner with them in order to actually coherent your forces and make it double, and that's how scalability comes into picture. Otherwise, if you just keep thinking that मेरे को ही आता है और मैं ही कर सकता हूँ, मुझे अपने पे ही भरोसा है, you have to know that you are one person and you can never be at multiple places at one time. So how to find the right business opportunities? I think there are 2 ways to go about it. Either you know what your passion is and you follow it. You would know definitely in your heart like what to follow and like what is there something that you want to do, go with it. Or if you don't have that, join with people or get collaborated with people who actually have that. But that includes like what you bring to the table is something that's up to you. Either you bring your effort or you bring money or you bring both. So daily routine, I don't think any daily routine exists typically for any business, but all you have to think about it is like your business is your baby, an actual baby. So जब आपका बच्चा पैदा होता है, अब वो रोता है तो आपको हर चीज़ छोड़ के उसको चुप कराना है. जब उसको भूख लगी है, आपको हर चीज़ छोड़ के उसका पेट भरना है. जब उसको आपको बुलाना है, आपको उसके पास जाना है. जब वो आपसे प्यार करना चाहता है, तब आपको उसको प्यार देना है, और वो जब नहीं भी चाहता है, आपको तब भी उसको प्यार देना है. So like I always say, your whole heart should be into it. और आपको जब तक आप उसको अपने बच्चे की तरह ट्रीट नहीं करते हो, आपको तब तक उसको सक्सेसफुल नहीं बना सकते. एंड लेट मी रिमाइंड यू, जब बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल नहीं होता है ना, वो लॉस की फीलिंग सेम ही होती है जो आपको अपने ऑफस्प्रिंग के साथ भी आती है. So make sure that you love them, nurture them, care about them enough if you're actually going into it.